Welcome to Cars and Coding. Today, 2017 Golf Sportwagen, we're going to be replacing the headlight bulbs. So these have halogen headlight bulbs and they are really weak and yellow at night. It's almost like dangerous. I asked, on Facebook, like what's the best headlight bulbs you can get, and they said the deAutoLED. So that's what I got. It comes in a kit. And it's not cheap. It's near 200 bucks just for 2 bulbs, but we're gonna try them out because they're supposed to be the best. We're gonna see if we can just sneak our hand in behind and do that first, and if not, then we'll go in by the tire and the wheel well and take the wheel well off and stick them in that way and see what we can do. Please like and subscribe, like the video and subscribe to my channel to see more stuff like this on the VW or the Audi or the Honda that I have. Let's get to it. We can do a little before and after. There is the running light. There's the headlight, running light. Here's the daytime running lamp. This turn signal. Let's see here. We're just gonna stick our hand in here, see what we can pull out. Oop. Alright, so, there it is. That came out real easy. Better remember how this went in. I think it went in like this. Let's see if we can put in a new one. Looks like something out of Star Wars, man. Let's take one of these buggers out. Okay. So I believe this one came out like this. So let's go in this way. Just gotta try it. It's a little bit hard. I know this back part comes off. We'll try taking this off. This is a heat sink. Okay, take that off. Oh, got lithium grease on there. Okay. Yep. Alright, well, it's in there now. I'll put this part back on. There, I think I got it. Here you can see a major difference. There's a clean cutoff on this one, and then the halogen is just really dim in comparison. This is super bright, and just a crazy difference. Okay, well, we'll see it at night, but yeah, so that one went in. On the driver's side, I gotta go way back in here with my hand. It's gonna be harder. It's gonna be way harder. All right, got the cap off. Wow, man, that is tight. I mean, I'm getting it out, but alright, so you have to put it in like this. You put it in with this connector up, and then you turn it clockwise when you're looking at it. So you just turn it, righty-tighty. Let's try. Get out my Star Wars lightsaber here. We're going to take this back part off. It's tight. So we're going to put it in like this and then turn it. Let's see. This, turn it. Yeah, I don't know. I think I might have got it. It's there, but now it needs to turn. So let's try putting this on. This is going to be freaking impossible. Even the right way. Alright, let's give her another shot here. No, I think I got it. It's threading on. You can see it's tilted. We need to turn it. So we're just gonna watch. Stick our hand in there. It's very hard to get a hold of it. It just needs to turn, see? I'm hoping I'll get lucky. And it'll just turn in there, but I don't know. It's so close. We're gonna have to take the wheel well off. Turn the wheel all the way so I can get at these. Oh, it's T25, okay. What is this? Secret access hole? Dude, this might be a secret access hole. Look at this. Let's see, it might be. I don't know. Yeah, you'd think, but it's not. Oh, okay, now I can reach it. You can stick your hand up in there. I don't think we'll be able to see it with the camera. But now I'm gonna stick my hand in here, grab a hold of the back of this thing, and turn it. Oh, that was so easy. So I turned it in. Let me just see if I can get you a shot here. Figure out what we're looking at back here. Oh, there it is, see? You can see it. Yeah, that's a good shot right there. There's the back end of it. So you can actually get your hand up in there. Alright, so now we're just going to put it back together. Yeah, boss. Super bright. It's just mega bright. It's like lighting up the whole. Man, that's bright. That is so incredibly bright. Wow, it is just, I've never, ever had lights this bright. This is so crazy. This just, I mean, it is just amazing. I have never driven a car with lights as, I think they're aimed exactly perfect. We're gonna go into some dark area here. I mean, this is just phenomenal. Just amazing. I mean, you know what your halogen headlights look like. I don't need to do it before and after. I mean, they don't look nothing like this. This is just freaking amazing. Yeah, you just can't go wrong with this. You gotta get these lights, man. Just do that. If you don't have these puddle lights, you got to get these too. I have another video with that on there. But yeah, this is really good. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. You'll see all the links on where to buy these lights from deAutoLED, or put some Amazon links in there too in case you want to buy cheaper ones. But yeah, this is definitely worth it, and I highly recommend it. Auf Wiedersehen.